What's up everybody, Dees here, and today we're going to be making the absolute best easy crispy butterfly chicken. You're going to love it. So let's get started. What you're going to need is a couple of simple ingredients. You're going to make sure that you have a bowl, some flour. I'm just using some regular flour. It may be a little bit better if you use some bread flour. Then I'm going to be using some baking powder. Baking powder is going to dry out the chicken, give it that little crispy crunch. We're going to do this really quickly in the air fryer. Now this recipe takes about 25 minutes to 30 minutes until crispy. Now this is the star of the show, the chicken drumsticks. These are cleaned, patted dry, and ready to be cut. I'm going to show you two different ways to cut it. This is number one. We're going to do a butterfly cut. We're going to use a sharp knife, and we're going to go right up the middle and flare the meat away from the bone. This is going to give us that flat, consistent look. Number two is probably the easiest one. You want to go ahead and use some kitchen scissors, and you want to just get the scissors underneath the meat, and you just want to cut. Real simple, real easy. And if you don't have this tool, I definitely recommend getting kitchen scissors, especially when it comes to chicken, if you don't like cutting chicken or dealing with chicken. It also works great with fish too. Now let me know if you want to see more about prepping meat, and hit that subscribe button so we can grow this channel. Leave a comment and I'll definitely help out. So you need some regular flour, and then you're going to go ahead and just put a little bit of baking powder. I will put the full ingredients below if you're a person who wants to measure it all out, but cooking should be fun, so let's not make this complicated. Add your favorite seasoning, and you're going to have something that tastes so good, so quick, and so easy. Hit them with a little bit of oil, and you're going to go ahead and toss them in the mix. Just like that. Get everything coated. Don't want to cake it on, but you definitely want to make sure that it's fully covered. Put them in the air fryer. Make sure that you spread them out to the best that you can. You don't want to overstack them, so I'm only doing 4 pieces at a time, and this will guarantee that they're super crispy. Air fry at 360 for 25 to 35 minutes until golden brown, and flip at the halfway mark. Your order's ready. Now it's time to eat. This has to be probably the best chicken in terms of quickness, crispiness, and everything in between. Hey, you can watch me, or you can make it yourself. And if you made it this far, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Hit that subscribe button, and let's grow this channel.